Hi friends, today we are going to start 10th class state syllabus. So in that mathematics, in that we have first chapter real numbers, okay? Real numbers. So before studying about these real numbers, first you should know what are the different types of numbers actually exist, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on infinity. What these numbers are called? These numbers are called natural numbers, right? You already know this. Natural numbers you have studied in your lower classes. If the number starts from 1 and goes up to infinity, these are called natural numbers. What are whole numbers then? Whole numbers will represent by capital W. What are whole numbers which starts from 0 and goes up to infinity are called whole numbers. Okay, natural numbers starts from 1, whole number starts from 0. What are integers? We denote integers by capital Z. What are integers? All the negative values are included and 0 is included, and all the positive values are also included. Okay, all the positive values are also included from minus infinity to plus infinity. Whatever the value you are taking, all these digits are called integers. Okay, minus negative numbers are also included. Okay, that is called integers. Then we have rational numbers. We represent rational numbers in by capital Q. Whichever the number, whether it is written in p by q form, okay, where p comma q belongs to integers and q should not be equal to 0, then that particular numbers are called rational numbers. Okay, examples, what are the examples? 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 12, all these are in the p by q form and q not equal to 0. P comma q are integers, right? So that's why every number here is called rational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number we represent by q dash. Irrational numbers which can't be written in the form of p by q, which cannot be written, we can't write in p by q form. P by q form we can't write in p by q form the numbers. Okay, suppose if you write 11 by 13, this is a rational number. Okay, then what are the examples of irrational numbers? Suppose root 2, root 3, these are the examples of irrational numbers. You may get a doubt, sir, if you write root 2 by 1 and root 2 by 3, root 3 by 1, then also it is a rational number only, no? P by q form. Yes, p by q form only, but p here is root 2, not an integer. Here clearly what is the rational number condition? P comma q should belongs to integers. Okay, but here root 2 belongs to integer? No, right? So that's why this particular root 2 and root 3, all these terms, root 5, root 7, all the prime numbers under root and pi, e, all these are irrational numbers which can't be written in the form of p by q. So that's why these numbers are irrational. Now if you write the definition of real numbers is nothing but, real numbers means just a combination of rational and irrational. Combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. That's it. Okay, you can write the definition as combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, and we denote real numbers by capital R. We denote real numbers by capital R as a set. So in real numbers you can include natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, okay, and irrational number also. All these together constitute a real number. Okay, this is the real number set. Clear? The combination of rational numbers plus irrational numbers are called real numbers. Sir, only rational numbers and irrational numbers only? No, why you included all these things? These are also rational numbers only. 1 by 1 you can write, 0 by 1 you can write, minus 3 by 1 you can write. Okay, so that's why we are writing definition as the combination of rational numbers plus irrational numbers is real numbers. Okay, this is the small introduction of real numbers. You have one more numbers like 3 plus 3i. What is this number called? This number is complex number. Okay, complex number. In complex number we have two parts. One is real part, this is real part, this is imaginary part. Okay, one is real part, one is imaginary part. So real number plus imaginary number will gives you complex number. You can write in this manner also, 3 minus 3i. Okay, 3 minus 3i or 3 plus 3i. Okay, so whether any number which is in the form of x plus iy, we call this as complex number, where x is the real part, iy is the, y is the imaginary part. okay, but this complex number will not come under real numbers, okay, will not come under real numbers, because complex numbers contain imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers means what? We are imagining, they are not there in reality, okay. So that's why this complex number will not be come under real numbers. These are separate, these are separate, okay. So what is the definition of real numbers? Only the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. And what is the, how we will denote? We will denote it by capital R, okay. This is the small introduction of real numbers. We will move with other concepts in the next video, okay. Thank you.